Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. So today we will make some transactions on the Zksync testnet. As you know, Arbiter made an airdrop recently and we expect the next airdrop will come from Zksync. So as I said, we will make some transactions today and I will show you some methods to get the most rewards from a possible airdrop. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So today we will be using Zksync Lite, and in order to do that we will need to connect our MetaMask wallet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet or if you don't know how to use MetaMask, you can check out our MetaMask tutorial from the top right corner. After setting up your MetaMask, open up this website and as always you will find all the links in the description box below. And then choose Ethereum wallet here. Then as I said we will use MetaMask. So as you can see I connected my MetaMask. Now you probably won't see your balances right here as I do. Now, in order to add balances to your Zksync network, click on top up here, and then we will choose Zksync Lite bridge. So choose this. Now, first off, you will need some Ethereum balance in your MetaMask wallet. I will show you how to send some Ethereums from your Binance to your MetaMask wallet. So first off, open up your MetaMask wallet, then copy your wallet address by clicking here. After copying your wallet address, open up your Binance wallet and then click on withdraw. And choose Ethereum from the coins. Now you will have to paste your wallet address here and then choose Ethereum as a network. And type down the amount you would like to send from your Binance wallet to your MetaMask wallet. And then just wait for like 5 minutes and your funds will arrive from your Binance wallet to your Ethereum MetaMask wallet. Now, after you got your Ethereum balance in your MetaMask wallet, open up this top-up section again and choose the amount you would like to bridge from Ethereum network to the Zksync network. And then click on top up. After you approve the transactions from your MetaMask wallet, you will see your funds just like this here. So this was the first part of this video. Now let's have a look at the second part. So for this, you will need the Pinata account. As I said, you will find all the links in the description box below. Just sign up using this section here, type down an email and then choose which title describes you the best, and then it will ask you to set up a password and then you'll move on. Just basically sign up here and then log into your Pinata account. Now after logging in, as you can see it says add files on the top right corner. So click on this and choose file. Then you'll need to drag and drop your file. You can just drag and drop any file you want. You can just download some basic image from the Google Images. This part is totally up to you. But we will mint an NFT with this picture. So this picture will become an NFT. You should know that. So I just dragged and dropped our Coin Engineer channel logo. Now I will click on upload. File successfully uploaded. Now it will give us a content identifier, also known as CID. In this step, we will have to copy the CID by clicking on here. Then open up Zksync Lite again. Then choose NFTs here and click on Mint NFT. Now you will have to paste the CID that we just copied from Pinata. Then click on Authorize to Mint NFT. Approve the transactions from your MetaMask wallet. And as you can see, it asks me to follow the instructions in my Ethereum wallet. Now I will sign this transaction again. And as you can see, we successfully minted our NFT. We paid 16 cents of fees in total. And you can do this as many times as you want. At the end of the day, this transaction was made on the Zksync network. And the more transactions you make on the network, the more rewards you will get from a possible airdrop. And as I said, you can do this as much as you want. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And keep in mind that so many more videos like this will be coming in the upcoming days and weeks. We will show you every airdrop opportunity. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow our social media accounts from the links in the description box below of this video. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.